Can you say Mike?
Mike.
Can you say Paulette?
Project.
Can you say Rolly?
Way.
Can you say Robin?
Way.
Can you say Ryan?
Why?
Can you say Jamie?
Jim.
Can you say Zanzan? Zanzan.
San.
Can you say Riley?
Wowie.
Can you say Rick?
Rick.
Can you say Michelle?
Musha.
Can you say Derek?
Chicken.
Can you say Anya?
Anna.
Can you say Logan?
Wookie.
Can you say Vern? Can you say Vern?
Fern.
Can you say Justine? Can you say Justine?
Aqua. Aqua.
Justine's your auntie. Can you say Justine?
Archie.
Justine. Fine. Can you say Steven?
Archie.
Say Steven.
Aqua.
Say Steven. You're goofy.